In this video, we're going to go through the process for creating a new coach bio. So you're going to come under your website tab and look for your sports folder. Here it's in 21 through 40 on our test site here. And then pick your sport where you want to add the coach. I'm working in men's soccer today. And then you're going to look for your coaches folder. In there, there may be a number of items, depending on the site and everything like that. But the key item you're looking for here is the index file. That's what builds out the actual coaches page, so we can feature multiple bios into one page because each individual gets their own bio file created. I also have a couple headshots uploaded here to use for our test bios that we're going to create. So let's get started. On the right here, we're going to click Add Here. And then under our content type, we're going to Bio Manual. On this page, one key item is to name your file. I recommend making it the person's first name and last name, just so you know that it's their bio. Don't worry about title or thumbnail or anything else on this page. And then the other item we can take care of here is featuring this to that men's soccer, that index file in the coaches folder. So we need to go into our sports folder and men's soccer, just like we did to get into the folder. And we're looking for the coaches index right here. So every sports folder is going to have a coaches folder, which should have an index file in it. So we're going to feature here. And now once we save this file at the end, it's going to automatically show up on the coaches page for men's soccer. And now we're going to fill out the coaches information. There's a lot of unnecessary fields here that you're not going to use. But here's kind of, we'll go through the basics and what Presto would recommend. First thing you want to make sure you do is full name, first name, last name. So we're just going to go with my name, if I can remember to do a full name. Title, you can write this however you want. Head coach, men's soccer, head coach. You can even add in, this season, something like that at the end. It's up to you, however you want it to display on the site. And other items, you want to take care of a phone number and an email address. And that's kind of the basics. As you build it out, you can always add, a custom field. People, they sometimes do this for alma mater or something like that. You can use a previous school field for that as well. But again, totally up to you, however you want to customize that using those custom fields. Here's where you're going to add your headshot for the coach. So we're going to go to our gray box here. And in our pop-out window, these are the headshots I already have uploaded. If you haven't uploaded a headshot yet, you can go to upload and do so. The window should open directly into your sports men's soccer coaches folder. If it doesn't, just go to the drop-down and search for that coaches folder for your sport. So we'll go ahead and grab this headshot. And then here, the synopsis field, this is where you can actually add the bio text. Write out the paragraphs, the accomplishments, all that stuff that we list in coach bios. That all goes here in the synopsis field. And like all word processing on Presto sites, you're free to do it here on the site or in another word processor and then copy and paste it over into the page here. But once we're done, we're going to go ahead and save changes. And now we're going to take a look at this index file on the front end of the site to see how it looks. And there we go. There is the bio we created that's listed on our coaches page. So now I'm going to create a quick second one here really quick. I'm just going to actually make a copy of this one.